to my channel, or hello, hi if you're new here, welcome. My name is Fiona. I upload every Wednesday and Sunday. So today's video I am bringing you a little B&M haul. So I usually don't leave my fortress unless it's for food shopping, and not even that, like Shane usually does my food shopping for me. So we went food shopping together this time and went to B&M afterwards, and there's just some things that you can't find in your local supermarket and B&M just has it. I've missed B&M so much. It's just that shop that you go to that you just find loads of little bits and pieces that I absolutely love for the home. So I've got some beauty bits, I've got some cleaning bits, and I've just got some confectionery bits. So if you want to see everything that I got from B&M, then please keep on watching. Please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up for me and subscribe to become part of the Unicorn Gal fam. We'd love to have you. And yeah, let's get straight on into this B&M haul. So the first thing I picked up was a little bit of a random one. So this is a toilet roll holder. So obviously with the first lockdown and everything, we're no longer on a toilet roll hunt all the time, so I thought I'd pick up this toilet roll holder because they're just such a nuisance when they're in that big bulk packaging, they're underneath the cupboard and you have to like lean over and grab one. Maybe a bit TMI, but I thought I'd pick this up. It was only £2 and it was on a special buy. It was like in the, you know, when you go into the lower aisles and you find all the like the good bits that are like on sale. Yeah, I picked this up. It was in the special buy section, and yes, pretty self-explanatory. Hold your toilet roll, but I just thought it'd be so good, and I thought it'd be a good one because it's quite lightweight and I don't like the big bulky ones. So yeah, I thought I'd pick this up. It was only £2 on special buy. So I'm just gonna get the random ones out the way. So next up I picked up some skips. I mean, who doesn't like skips? They're literally like a childhood favourite. They're prawn cocktail, they're the best crisps ever. I actually picked up these for Shane and his little work lunchbox. So yeah, I picked up some skips because who doesn't love skips? What's your favourite crisp? Let me know down below. So yeah, I picked up them. So yeah, £1 for 6 bags of skips. Love the skips. So the next few items are all £1 and they are still food based items. I thought I'd get these out the way and move on to the good stuff. So of course I had to pick up the obligatory Fibre Now bars. You know how much I love these. I've got the birthday cake and the salted caramel. I'm absolutely obsessed with these. This one is 86 for the salted caramel and 87 for the birthday cake. I absolutely love the birthday cake. I think I mentioned it in my Vlogmas. The birthday cake is now my new favourite after saying I think it was going to be my new favourite, and now it definitely is. These are just so good just for like snacking on. These are just so good for snacking on and just having one with like a cup of tea, a cup of coffee when you're all nice and cozy. And yeah, I really love the birthday cake ones. So they were both £1 each. Next up we have Mars bars and Maltesers, both of them £1, and Shane lunchbox. Next up for me we have a good old Red Bull. I miss going to B&M just grabbing one of these because I actually do really like them. They're sugar free, they're just a really nice little treat. And yeah, I might open it now, you know. I've missed having these, they're just so good. So yeah, I actually might open it now. This just reminds me of summer. So I think this is the last of the food items. I picked up a pot noodle. This is chicken and mushroom, and they are suitable for vegetarians if you didn't already know. It's just a flavouring in there. So yeah, I like these because they're just really quick and simple after I've been editing, and yeah, it was only £1. So moving on to beauty, we have a hair mask. So this is the Garnier Ultimate Blend Smoothing Hair Food in coconut and macadamia. This is a 3-in-1 hair mask. It's really good for frizzy and unruly hair. So if you can't already tell, my hair is so frizzy and thick, especially with these hair extensions in. I don't know what it is about hair extensions. I feel like I take care of them and wash them and everything, but they do get really tangled. So I was actually recommended this by my friend Liz, Makeup by Liz Rose, and she recommended this. She had the banana one, but I wasn't sure if I liked the banana scent, so I picked up the coconut because I do like coconut. So yeah, I thought this would be a really good one to pick up. I think it was £3.49. I'm not too sure, but it was £3 something. So yeah, I picked this up and I thought it'd be really good, you know, as a conditioner. I think you can use it as a conditioner, as a mask, or as a leave-in on wet or dry hair. So I picked this one up in the scent coconut, and yeah, I thought it'd be really good for my own hair and my Foxy Locks extensions. That's what I've got in at the moment. So yeah, I'm hoping it makes it less frizzy and just detangle this hair. So yeah, I picked up a hair mask. I really needed a new one. So as it seems, this is the only other beauty product that I actually picked up. So this is a mascara. So I picked this one up. This is the Maybelline the Rocket Volume Express, and I was running out of mascara, so I thought I'd pick this one up while I was in B&M, and it was £3.99. I just chuck on any old mascara. I hope it's a good one for £3.99, because I'm pretty sure you can get them in Superdrug for like a lot cheaper than that. But yeah, £3.99 for a new mascara, and those are the only beauty bits that I picked up. I picked up more, but I do get a lot of cleaning products from B&M, so I'm excited to go through them. So moving on to my favourite part, which is the cleaning. So the first thing I picked up was actually some fabric conditioner. So this is the Lenore Love. If you haven't already tried the Lenore range, their fabric conditioners, I love the Happy, but I do have to say that the Lenore Love is actually my favourite. So this is the Exotic Bloom. It's 52 washes. It's the large one, I think, and I think it was £3.99 or £2.99. But yeah, I really like this. It just smells so unreal, makes your clothes smell absolutely divine. Love this. So we picked up some of this. It's just, honestly, it smells so good. Honestly, that smells so divine. So I really like this one and the Lenore Happy. So yeah, picked up some fabric conditioner. I think it was £2.99. So next up, I wanted to see what all the fuss was about this product. So this is the Lenore Crease Release. It removes creases in fabric, and I got it in the Orchid Blossom. We actually picked up the original first, but we saw the Orchid Blossom one and picked up this one. So I'm really hoping this actually does work. So what it says is spray it on your clothes, pull and smooth, and then use after wash when dried. So you hang it up. So basically, I hope it works, because honestly, living with Shane now after the first lockdown, we decided to live together, he lives at mine, all I get is iron my shirts, iron this, iron that, I need an iron for Monday, and it's like, oh my god, so much ironing. So I'm really hoping this actually works for me and actually like cuts the slacks on my ironing. So yeah, this is the Lenore Crease Release. I think it was £2.49. So yeah, I'm really praying for this product that actually works, and hoping it like actually smells really, really good as well. So yeah, I'm hoping I'll be able to use it as well. So yeah, this is the Lenore Crease Release. It's £2.49. Hoping it works, hoping it saves my life. So next up, if you know me, you'll know how much I love Fabulosa. So this is their new one. This is like their Blast Can Disinfectant. So it's a disinfectant and it's a odour remover. And my dad actually got this because you can get them in Aldi. But he got the blue version. I think it's like a winter ice or something. But this is winter cherries. And I was like, oh my god, winter cherries. I absolutely love the smell of cherries. So I thought I'd pick this up because I absolutely love Fabulosa. I've actually got my own little collection of Fabulosa. So yeah, I picked up winter cherries, and they're just really, really handy because it's in a can, really easy to spray. And yeah, I'm excited to use my new Fabulosa. And the Fabulosa was £1.49. Next up, I picked up a Dishmatic. I mean, how long has it taken me to pick up a Dishmatic? I don't know. This is actually limited edition as well. I think it's for Valentine's Day because it's pink, but it's actually only £1, and I was really surprised because the other one was like £1.49. So yeah, so this is a limited edition pink Dishmatic. It's a fillable handle, replaceable sponge. So I'm really happy that I actually picked one up. I mean, I'm missing out on cleaning my dishes the correct way. I literally don't know how long it's taken me to pick one of these up. I've been cleaning my dishes like the wrong way without one of these. But yeah, it was a limited edition. I thought it was so cute. And yeah, really excited to use my Dishmatic when I wash the dishes. The next item I picked up was a new one for me. So this is the Flash Strong and Thick Wipes. These are anti-bac, and it says it kills coronavirus and 99.9% of bacteria. So yeah, I thought I'd pick up these because these are quite new for me, and yeah, I thought I'd pick them up because they'd be really, really good for like my makeup desk. And they're in the scent Cherry Blossom, and they're £1.99. So yeah, I thought it would be really cool to pick something new up because I hardly ever like switch up my products that much apart from like the sprays and everything like that. I thought I'd pick up a wipe. You know, something different, something new. And yeah, Flash Strong and Thick Wipes. Next up, I picked up a good old Shake and Vac, the Fresh Lemon for the carpet. Just Shake and Vac as you're hoovering. I picked up this, was £1. Just a necessity since I ran out of my old one. So yeah, I picked up one of those, £1, easy, shake and vac, really good for clean your carpets with. Coming to the end now, I picked up 2 of the Kleenex tissues, balsam tissues, these £1.39 each, I think. So yeah, I always stock up on my tissues because I have allergies. I have really bad dust allergies, and that's why I like cleaning so much. So yeah, I just picked up 2 of those. They're just essential. And then last but not least, I couldn't leave Oreo out, so I had to pick up some Whiskers Dental Bites, little treats for her so she can have something to snack on. I picked up 2 packs of cat treats from Pets at Home with some other stuff that I needed to get her, but I don't know what happened to it. Right, I had, what was it? I had the Catnip Treats. I don't know what happened to it for a couple of days, and it was my dad. My dad literally found the whole packet of cat treats, so I've literally had to buy some more. So yeah, so I bought some of these for Oreo. They were £1, and yeah, couldn't leave her out because she's just the cutest. She's always hungry, and she's a little ball of grey fluff. So yeah, I picked up those for Oreo, and that is literally everything that I got. So that is everything that I picked up from B&M. I hope you enjoyed seeing what I got from there, and I mean, a B&M trip is just the best thing ever. So yeah, I picked up some nice clean bits which I'm really excited to use, and the Dishmatic, I mean, wherever I've been, Oreo is going to be treated. And yeah, so if you enjoyed this little B&M haul, then please smash it a big thumbs up for me. It means the world to me, and thank you so much for watching. I love you guys as always, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye everyone.